Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to every single person that is watching today. We are continuing on today with our mess or Sasha in Egyptians, Kemet. Let's say Kemet, and we're gonna do a little bit of the division part of it. We already did the addition and subtraction already. If you haven't seen how I do my addition and my subtraction, please go back and look at the YouTube video on how to do the addition and the subtraction and how to do the numbers part of it. And before we continue on, as you can see today, we are continuing on with the division part of our work. So just to remind you on how to write the numbers again, so we will start by writing the numbers from 1 to, let's say, 10. So number 1 is like this. Okay. Number 2 is this way. Number 3 is this way. Number 4 is this way. Number 5 is this way. Number 6 is this way. That's 6 there. Number 7, as you know very well, number 7 is this way. Number 8 is also that way. Okay, let me put these properly so as people know. Number 9, now we are on number 9. Number 9 is this way. Number 9, yes, so number 9, we are going to number 9. I just want to double check that I don't miss any number. So 9 will be this way. And number 10, you know well, is just number 1 here and number 0. So which is like that. And that is 10 there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And sometimes we just write 0. As you know, 0 is written that way. So you know now that number 10 is that way, and that's how we write from 1 to 10. And the division sign, you can see it at the top there, but I'm just going to write it here so you can see it properly how you write the division sign. So it's like this. That's the division sign of it. So that means divide. So that's the division sign on Pan-African writing system. So we're just going to start for the division of the multiple of 1. So anything that is divided by 1 will always equal to that number that you divided first on it, or that the number that is there. So we'll start with 1. So 1 is this way, and we say divide, so which is like this. So 1 divided by 1, this will give me, equal sign is this way. This will always give me 1. In every circumstances that you divided by the number by itself will always give you that number that you divided by it. So now we are going to 2, and 2, it is this. 2 is that way, and you say divided by like that. 2 divided by 1, because these are the multiple of 1, and that will give me number 2. So which is this, like that. So 2 divided by 1 will give me 2. Okay, and we are continuing on with number 3. So 3 is this way, like this, and you say divided by like that. So 3 divided by what? 3 divided by 1. This will give me number 3. So 3 divided by 1 will give me 3, which is that. So 1, 2, and 3. So now we are continuing on with 4 divided by 1. So every time you divide by number by 1 will give you that the same number. So 4 is this way. This is how you write number 4. And you know division is always this, like that, divided by 1, and 1 you know it is like this, and this will give me, so 4 divided by 1 will give me number 4, that way here. So 4 divided by 1 will give me 4. And as we continue on to 5, 5 is this, as you know, it's like this. That's number 5 there. So 5 divided by, in division is always this way, like that. 5 divided by 1, and this will give me number 5. And that's number 5 is this way, like that. Okay. So now we continue on to 6. And 6 itself is this way. We do 6 like this. As you can tell before, the way we do 6 is this way, like that. That is 6. 6 divided by 1 will give me 6. So 6 divided by 1 will give me 6. Now we continue on with 7. 7 is like this. So 7 divided by 1 will give me, with this is equal sign, will give me 7, which is that way. So 7 divided by 1 will give me 7. As we continue on to 8, 8 now, 8 is this way, like this. That is 8. And you know how to divide it. Divide it this way, like that. So 8 divided by, and 1 you know, it is this way, like this. 8 divided by 1 is equal to number 8 again. So which is like that. So 8 divided by 1 will give me 8. And now for the 9, 9 is this, like this. That side is just by itself. So 9 divided by, and division is this way, like this. 9 divided by 1 is going to give me what? 9, yeah? So that will give me 9. So which is like this. So 9 divided by 1 will give me 9. Now with the 10, 10 is just 1. 10 is just 1 and 0. So that will be 10. So 1 is written this way, like that. And 0, you know, it is just all of these side by up and by down. All of them up and down. So that's 0. So that's 10. And you said division is this way, like that. So 10 divided by 1, it's going to give me 10. So which is like that. And 0 is this way, like this. Sorry, I'll try to be fancy. So 0 is like that. So 10 divided by 1 will give me 10. And we're just going to continue on until we get to 12. 12 is our last number. So now we're going to 11. So 11 to 1 will give me 11. So another 1 again. Then we said divided by is this way, like this. Okay. So 10 divided by 1. Sorry, I should write division properly, because that's look really wrong. So division should be written properly. So like that. So 10 divided by then 11, actually, sorry, 11 divided by 1 is going to give me 11. So which is that way, like that. Okay, now 12 divided by 1, so 1. And how you write 2? 2 is this way, like that. So 12 divided by 1 will give me number 12 again. So which is this way, and 2 is this. So 12 divided by 1 will give me 12 again. So that's is how we are writing Pan-African writing system. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to go now to the second part, which is 2, the division of 2, and then we're going to continue on until the division of 12. So from 1 to 12. Thank you. This is the division of 1 from number 1 to number 12. So we're going to go to continue on with division of 2 coming up next. Please stay tuned and look how we write the division of 2, and you can learn from the Pan-African writing system. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you again soon. Thank you.